mga Dutski, nandito na tayo sa Charlestown. So same route lang din ito, no? Ito yung practice area natin. At least man lang nakapagpapawis tayo mga Dutski. So going straight tayo dito ngayon. Ikot tayo. Dahan-dahan tayo dun sa lake. So ito yung pagawin sa Charlestown. Ito left side. So stop and we check for the car incoming. There's no one. Let's go. Oh. So ayan mga Katutski, no? Grabe, daming mananap. Teka lang. Ayan mga Katutski, grabe. Ang daming mga masasamang elemento, no? Ayan, no? Na sasalubong natin. So tumatakbo na tayo ng 15 kilometers. So siguro mga 30. Try natin. So going back to Lorgan na tayo. Nandito tayo sa lake. Dumadaan tayo ngayon sa lake mga Katutski. So ayan. Hey, bye-bye. Palabas na tayo ng highway, no? So ito palang area natin dito ngayon. Wala masyadong ahon dito. Meron man pero banayad lang, no? Kasi practice place lang to talaga mga Katutski, no? May mga area talaga dito na grabe yung uphill. So at least walang maka 30 km tayo ngayon. Baka naman. So shout out everyone mga Katutski. Hey, bye bye. Katutski, that's the name of the street. Lockneck Armored, you know. So 2.5 miles yung tinakbo natin dyan. So dito tayo papuntang Lorgan. Going this side, going to Lorgan. Woo! Grabe, solid, ang sarap. The sun is so very good. Time check is already 5:31 in evening, but the sun's still good. So let's go this side. Hey, actually this road is not good for the cyclists, you know, because there's a lot of hole. So if we're doing spin here, we need to be careful. Maybe your bike will be damaged, and especially if your bike is a carbon. So maybe more 70 to 60% will be damaged in this road. This road now is going to Oxford. If we're going to the left side, so that's the Oxford area. So if you're going straight, and that's the way going to Lorgan. But in the second left, that's the place that also going to Lorgan, and also the place that where should I work. So we're going to the second left, and this left is going to Oxford. The wind is so a little bit strong. another reason para tayong mabibiyak. Ay! So, sometimes we need to be careful because some driver are so very stupid, you know. Parang nagmamadali palagi, no. Kahit alanganin, overtake. So, oh my God. Sayang hindi ko na videoan. Pero ayos lang.